a fishing ground full. It's like cloudy now, and the wind like hail. No? Look at this one. Look how it is. It's like a hurricane. Look, it's like a hurricane. I don't know the focus on weather forecast tonight. I haven't read it. Yeah, right here on Riverwalk, Miami, right now. Yeah, the wind is gusting like 60-70 miles an hour. Yeah, and yeah, I see it flying up. It's right here. Yeah, I open my line right now, open my rod, so I have to leave right now. Yeah, just one coconut leaf just pull down, or it's like some kind of tornado or something. I'm not sure because I see some debris flying right there, in the air right there. Yeah, some debris flying, but still some boats are going out. That's like some kind of bad weather. So I have to go home. And look, this one here, windy everywhere. Yeah, and my phone, look, it's like you're gonna blow my phone away too from my hand. It's gusting like, yeah, look everywhere. Some yeah, it's gusting so hard. Yeah, right there. Right here, look at this. It's like, but there's no hurricane, I know. People are still working on the street. Yeah, it's pushing me. Yeah, it's pushing me. I don't know. No, it's kind of nasty weather. Yeah, look at that one. Look on the construction site. Look under the building. Look at those. And for sure, some of the debris right there gonna fly away somewhere. A tornado, I don't know. So I'm heading home right now. I'm gonna update you soon what's going on right now.